Hello guys, welcome to Serene Meditation channel. My name is Vinay and today's topic is about maintaining a gratitude journal. So maintaining a gratitude journal is something that I have been personally doing it for a quite long period, and I got this idea when I went to a group and where we talked about gratitude and how gratitude is helpful for us in our day-to-day life, and that's how I concluded that yes, I should also maintain a gratitude journal. And it's been 1 month, and my personal experience says that after maintaining gratitude journal, I feel like I'm attracting more positive energies towards me. So how this works and what is the basic concept behind maintaining gratitude journal is something what I'm going to tell you today. So to first ask you is that what is gratitude? Gratitude is that what you are thankful for in your entire life, what all things you have and what gratitude you show towards them. Probably it could be related to people, it could be about having things, what you're grateful for, what you have in your daily life. So this is what gratitude is all about. Now what happens is that when you maintain a gratitude journal, you are basically going to note down those things which you are grateful for in your entire day. So I'm talking here about your daily gratitude journal, not just that once a week or something, but it's about a daily gratitude journal. To few of you who are not able to maintain it on daily basis, that's fine. You can do it like after 2 days or after 3 days, or maybe in a week also you can do. But of course, as I said earlier, I am talking here about maintaining your gratitude journal on a daily basis. So what you do is that just before you go to sleep, take a book or a diary like I had maintained one, and write down things that you are grateful for or things you want to show gratitude towards. So you just take your gratitude journal, and then you can write very basic things, maybe something like a meal that you have enjoyed in the entire day, that you can write about. If you have met someone and you have really enjoyed meeting that person, that you can write. You can write about your good health, you can and write it about. Then you can write about any good experience that you have felt in your entire day. So this is not like you just only write down your important things, but you write down even smaller things, even smaller details of your day, but only positive, no negative. We don't have space for any negativity. So only positive things that have happened to you in your entire day. If by chance I would say that you are sick and you're sitting at your home, that would be something that many of you might think that, oh, what is so special about sitting at home when you're sick and it's just a boring day, and you if you're having cold and just a runny nose or something. But in that also you have to think that, okay, maybe you have found the right medicine. So you can just write down that I'm grateful that today I had I found this medicine and I'm feeling better right now. So, or maybe if there is something if not related to being sick, but if you are in a lockdown, like most of people are right now sitting at home, and you can just write down that in spite of having a boring day, you can write down something like maybe a food that you've enjoyed. There are many people who don't even get food in today's time, but you have to write down at night that yes, I got food. And maybe if you enjoyed being with your family members, then you can just write down that I enjoyed today this. So this way what you are doing is that you are just noting down positive things that have happened to you, and then you just come back, you just read entire your experiences, and then you will feel a lot of happiness through them. And basically when you're writing all these positive notes of your entire day, what you are doing is that you're basically attracting positivity towards you. So we have to just write down in our gratitude journal are the positive things, the things that you are thankful for, things that you're grateful for, that have happened to you in your entire day. I'm definitely sure that once you start this gratitude journal, you will see the difference. So after this video, make sure that you go and buy a diary or maybe a journal or whatever kind of pad you like. You just get it and start writing from today. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I hope I haven't taken a lot of time of yours. Thank you and goodbye.